Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video you're going to learn how you can use Snapchat ads, also known as Snap ads, with CPA grip and make a minimum of $10,000 per month. Yeah, most of you use Snapchat, but most of you don't really know maybe Snapchat as an advertising platform. Yes, Snapchat do as an advertising platform, and it's also good for using it with CPA network like CPA grip, this one right here, CPA lead, CPA build, and so on and so forth. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can use Snapchat ad, this one right here, Snap ads with CPA grip, and you can make a minimum of $10,000 per month by running offers here right here on Snapchat. Now without further ado, let's get right into this video. And in this video I'm going to be promoting gift card offer, Walmart gift card offer. Let me head over to CPA grip and search for gift card offer from the United States. Let me search for gift card. Yeah, as you can see here, we have tons of gift card offer. When I actually ran the ad, I didn't use CPA grip, I used CPA lead. So I ran a Walmart gift card offer with Snapchat ad, but I'm just going to be using CPA grip as an example because CPA lead wasn't opening on my laptop. I don't know why, so I'm going to use CPA grip as an example. And let us copy this link down and head over to Snapchat ad. This is where we're going to be running the ad and making money with CPA grip. Now you see here it says, what's your advertising goal? You have website visit, promote local places, call and text, app install, app visit. Here we're going to use website visit right here. Website visit. Now they say, which URL should your ad link to? Let us post the URL we copied from CPA grip right here. CPA grip, yeah, Ctrl V. Yeah, this is the URL right here to this offer. So when someone completes the offer, I'm going to get paid $2.39. Isn't that crazy, guys? Now we have one more, and you're going to click on next. Then for that where I pasted my link, you can use a landing page if you like. If you created a landing page, I can collect emails, and that would be good if you can do that. Now let's upload a video or photo. I'm going to upload a photo. I created a photo with Canva. Actually, you can use Canva on your mobile phone or on desktop. I use Canva to create this video. Yeah, this is right here. Get $1,000 gift card right now. Yes, this shows the picture I created with Canva for the ad. You're gonna see right now. Boom, here it is. As you can see, get a $1,000 Walmart gift card. Now when they click swipe up on the Snapchat ad, I'm going to get, and they complete the offer, I'm going to get paid on my CPA grip or CPA lead account. Now name of business, you can give it any name. I can just name it, but don't name it Walmart because you're trying to copyright the company. You can't name it Walmart because Walmart is a big company and Snapchat is not going to accept your ad. Snapchat isn't going to accept your ad, so you can name your company any one, like maybe let's say no, you can just give it your name. So let me just give it my name. Let me just write some right there, and headline to display, let us say get I'm looking for $1,000 Walmart gift card. Oh shoot, Walmart gift card. Right now, as you can see here, it appears here, get a $1,000 gift Walmart. You can make your own better than this. I'm just using this for the purpose of a tutorial, and okay, only maximum 34 characters. Okay, let me remove this a get $1,000. Okay, let's head over. Okay, it's the same. Okay, let us remove this right now. As you can see, it says Maybe that will be accepted here. Call to action, you're going to choose where is it right there, you're going to choose get now. Yes, this is perfect for it, get now. And yeah, we're through with designing our ads, and we're going to hit on next. Now this is where you're gonna set up like who you want to show your ads to. For example, the CPA offer I'm trying to promote, I'm targeting the United States, so the location should be directed to the United States, which is there already. The demographics, since we are promoting a gift card offer, we'll leave it at all. Then but we're going to change this to maybe 16 years to maybe let's say 25 years ago. Those are the young people that will like be interested in gift card stuff. And language, you're going to choose English language. Oh, sorry, English. Yeah, right. Yes. Let's our budget. You can start like as a beginner. You can start with $10 daily budget. Yeah, this. Yeah, and that's all. You click on publish right here. When you hit on publish, you say your ad is now publishing. It's going to take some time to load, and while it's loading, guys, don't forget to like hit the red subscribe button below if you've gotten value for this video, because it's not a long video. Actually, it's just a very short video that's going to teach you how to do stuff like make money with Snapchat ad and CPA grip or CPA lead or CPA build or whatever ad network you're going to use. And now if we're going to do some calculation right here, and once you run a $10 ad, at most you can be making from the $10 ad you run, you can make like depends on the amount the offer is going to pay. You can make $2,000 or more or less, but it's going to be the range of $1,500 to $2,000 with the just using $10 to run an ad. Isn't that crazy, guys? You can run the ad from either the CPA grip offer or the CPA build or CPA lead offer. Those are very, very good. And yeah, and that's it for this video, guys. If you've gotten value, like I've said, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button below, give me a like, and if you have any question or you have any request on what you need to do, just drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be very, very happy to answer you. And with that said, you can check out the two videos that are showing right up on the screen now. If you like this one, you're going to love the two videos that are showing on the screen right now. And with that said, I'll see you in my next video. Let's go.